Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new KTM 1290 Super Adventure S, ready to hit the road in January 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. As we stand on the precipice of a brand new year, KTM just pulled the covers off the 2023 1290 Super Adventure S, boasting a full complement of sport touring amenities, including DWP, semi-active suspension, adaptive cruise control, a 7-inch TFT display, and more. The creature comforts are many on the newest member of the Super Adventure family. The 2023 KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is powered by the Austrian firm's 1301cc liquid-cooled LC8 V-twin engine, which makes a claimed 160 horsepower and 138 Newton-meters, or 101.78 pound-feet, of torque at unspecified RPMs. It's mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a hydraulic PASC slipper clutch. KTM takes pride in driving friction down with its use of diamond-like carbon DLC on some engine internals, as well as a Grafal finish, which also reduces friction and is more hard-wearing on its pistons. A new revised chrome molybdenum stainless steel trellis frame features a steering head that's been located 15 millimeters to the rear of the previous version. This, KTM says, shortens the frame, which improves cornering behavior. Meanwhile, the front engine mount was rotated forward by just 2 degrees, which helps the mass of the engine to keep the front end on the ground under hard acceleration. While KTM was at it, the team also redesigned the side stand, just to keep the strength and lightness flowing through from top to bottom. While the frame was shortened, KTM also extended the swing arm by 15 millimeters. There's that number again, to improve stability. The latest version of DWP's semi-active suspension comes standard on the 2023 1290 Super Adventure S, and all settings and adjustments are accessible via the TFT dash. If you purchase the optional Suspension Pro package, automatic suspension settings are available. As for brakes, you'll find a twin set of 320 mm brake discs, along with matching 4-piston, radially mounted calipers. In the rear, there's a single 267 mm disc, and Bosch ABS comes standard. The alloy wheels come wrapped in Midas TerraForce R rubber, and were developed specifically for this bike to optimize handling, grip, and stability at high speeds. Of course, the onboard electronics suite is part of what sets the 1290 Super Adventure S apart from other bikes. Adjustable ride height can go from 849 to 869 millimeters, 33.4 inches to 34.2 inches. Depending on rider requirements, and is accessible from the cockpit. That's also where riders can go between ride modes, adjust ABS settings, and of course adaptive cruise control. The dash and switch cube help riders control it all from the comfort of that new saddle. Other features include illuminated switches, adjustable foot pegs, new windshield, LED lighting all around, and revised bodywork and ergonomics. For 2023, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S comes in an orange and black color scheme, of course, or a graded gray color scheme, which is an interesting departure from what KTM usually rolls with. Pricing and availability will vary by region, but the 2023 KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is expected to roll into authorized dealers beginning in January 2023. In the US, pricing starts at $20,299 plus $655 freight. What do you think about the new KTM 1290 Super Adventure S? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.